In this video, we will show the 5 best digital antenna on the market that will help to find the best one for you. Number 1, most popular. Gesobyte Amplified HD Digital TV Antenna. This smart TV antenna adopts upgraded with a new type smart switch control powerful amplifier signal booster with built-in smart IC chip next generation and crystal clear filter technology to pick up signals within 200 miles range. The new technology filters out cellular and FM signals, resulting in clearer picture, low noise and access to more free broadcast TV signals with enhanced gain, range and frequency performance. Smart IC USB power adapter with built-in overvoltage protection will help if in your TV there is no USB output for connecting the DTV antenna to the power supply. Number 2. You must have amplified HD digital TV antenna. The indoor HDTV antenna can reach up to 180 miles and can be placed almost anywhere in your home. Digital antenna constantly scans for new channels as they are made available for broadcast. Makes an amplified antenna easier for you to place in your house to get the best reception, especially for customers whose televisions are quite far away from windows. Smart IC USB power adapter with built-in overvoltage protection will help if in your TV there is no USB output for connecting the DTV antenna to the power supply. Number 3. Vansky Digital Amplified Indoor HDTV Antenna. Vansky HDTV antenna lets you have over-the-air networks in your area and get access to local news, weather, sitcoms, kids and sports, educational programs, etc. HDTV antenna can reach up to 250 miles and can be placed almost everywhere at home. With an extra long 16.5 feet coaxial cable, you can place the indoor antenna where the signal is. Makes an indoor TV antenna easier to get reception, especially for those whose televisions are quite far away from windows. HD antenna indoor is working. Place the antenna, plug the amplifier power cord in, and connect the cable to your TV, you are ready to go. The latest upgraded smart IC chip designed to pick up TV signals to 315 miles away for crystal clear TV and high-resolution audio sound quality, comes in a choice of colors black or white. Multidirectional antenna, amplifier, 16.5 feet coaxial cable, amplifier power cord, TV connector, adapter, 2 adhesive strips to hang antenna on the wall, an instructional manual.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.